This is a tiny governor controlled steam engine. You can see the governor here. Instead of closing the inlet valve, cutting down the steam, it changes the valve timing. That's about a 2-inch flywheel. We're going to try it on steam. Haven't tried it on air. See what happens. Well, there we go. Now as it builds up steam, we're at about 10 pounds of pressure. I'm going to let it build up steam and we're going to see if the governor works. See if it maintains this speed or not. I don't have a clamp on my steam hose, so before it gets sprayed in the face when it comes flying off, we're going to cut it back right there. But that is 20 pounds of pressure, and it seems to be maintaining a constant speed. Very nice little steam engine. I don't know the maker. You can see what it does is it drops in pressure. I guess eventually it has to slow down just as it runs out of pressure, but very nice little governor controlled model steam engine. Now we're just going to see how low a pressure it'll run on. There we are at about 2 pounds of pressure. There is 1 pound of pressure, so pretty efficient little steam engine. Not even reading on the gauge now.